Dealers pray you don't know this number. The exact year you should sell your car to maximize your wealth. Most people get this catastrophically wrong and lose 30 grand. I've been in the car business for 15 years. Here's what nobody tells you. First, understand the dealer's secret playbook. They track something called the depreciation cliff. Your car loses 30% of its value the moment you drive off the lot. But here's the twist. That's exactly when smart buyers step in. Rule 1. Never sell during years 1 through 3 unless you absolutely have to. You've already eaten the biggest loss. Selling now means you're just handing money to the next owner. The sweet spot? Most financial experts point to one specific range. Rule 2. Plan to keep your car between 6 and 10 years for maximum value extraction. At year 6, depreciation has leveled off. You've squeezed out the useful life without hitting repair hell. But here's where it gets interesting. Not all cars age the same. Toyota and Honda, you can push these to 12 or 15 years without breaking a sweat. German luxury cars? The maintenance costs explode right after the warranty ends at year 4. Dealers know this. That's why they push certified pre-owned BMWs at year 3. You inherit the nightmare. Rule 3. Check the maintenance schedule before you decide. Some cars have 80,000-mile major services. If you're approaching one of these, sell before you hit it. Let the next guy pay. Now let's talk financing. If you're still making payments, the math changes completely. Being underwater on a loan means you owe more than the car's worth. This is financial quicksand. Rule 4. Never trade in while underwater unless you're rolling negative equity into an even worse deal. Wait until you have equity. That's when you have negotiating power. Here's the controversial part. Some finance gurus say, keep your car forever. That's not always smart. After year 12, repair costs start climbing fast. Transmission, engine, suspension. The big stuff fails. When annual repairs exceed 3 grand, you're basically making car payments to your mechanic instead of building equity. Rule 5. Track every repair. When the 12-month total hits 3,000, start shopping for replacement. But there's one massive exception. If your car is paid off and reliable, drive it forever. Every month without a car payment is money you can invest. That compounds into serious wealth. Let's talk mileage. This matters more than age for certain buyers. High-mileage vehicles scare people. Dealers lowball high-mileage trade-ins, then mark them up 15% for the used lot. Pure profit. Rule 6. If you're over 100,000 miles, sell privately. You'll get thousands more than trade-in value. Technology matters too. In 2026, outdated safety features kill resale value. No backup camera? No blind spot monitoring? Buyers are walking away because newer used cars have e-standard. Electric vehicles change everything. Battery degradation means different replacement cycles than gas cars. Rule 7. For EVs, consider replacement at year 8 when battery warranties expire. Replacement batteries cost 15 grand. Market timing matters. Used car prices spiked in 2022, but corrected by 2025. Selling at market peaks can add thousands to your pocket. Pay attention to trends. Here's the ultimate strategy. Buy a 3-year-old certified car. Drive it until year 10. Then repeat. You avoid the worst depreciation. You get the reliable middle years. You exit before major repairs hit. The dealers don't want you knowing this because it kills their new car sales. You just became their worst nightmare. Quick recap. Avoid selling years 1 through 3. Sweet spot is 6 to 10 years for most vehicles. Japanese brands can go longer. Luxury needs earlier exit. Sell before major service intervals and when repairs hit 3 grand annually. High mileage? Sell private. EVs? Watch that 8-year battery warranty. Drop a comment with your car's age. Let's see who's in sweet spot. Follow for more dealer secrets.